Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create sidebars for text in Premiere Pro. To begin, select this new item icon over here and select color mate and hit OK and choose a color you prefer and hit OK and hit OK once more and drag this color mate above your video over here and set the duration of your color mate to the length you prefer. Next, select your color mate over here and move over to the Effects tab and search for the Transform effect and apply this Transform effect onto your color mate over here. Next, move over to the Effects Control tab and change the position of your color mate to cause it to align to the position you prefer. Next, scroll down to the Transform property over here and move your playhead to the start of your color mate and toggle on the value for position and change the value for the color mate until the color mate can no longer be seen. Next, hold down the Shift key and hit the right arrow 4 times to move forward 20 frames. And hit the reset arrow next to position over here to return the color mate. Next, move the playhead to where you want this color mate to end. And select this diamond icon over here to add another keyframe at the current value. Next, move forward to where you want to hide the color mate once more. And adjust the value for the color mate once more until it's no longer visible. To adjust the speed, you can move this keyframe closer or further apart. Now if I go back to the beginning and hit play, you can see what we have created over here. To add some motion blur, go over to Effects Control and deselect Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 180. The next thing you need to do is to select the first two keyframes over here, right click, select Temporal Interpolation and hit Ease In. Select the last two keyframes over here, right click, select Temporal Interpolation and hit Ease In. Select the first two once more, right click, Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. Select the last two, right click, Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. The next thing I want to do is to add sliding text. To do that, select the type tool over here and type in your preferred text and adjust the duration of your text to fit the duration of your color mate over here. Select your text and adjust the scale of your text and the position of your text. Next, select the color mate over here and select the transform effect under the color mate. Right click and hit copy. Next, select your text layer over here and move over to Effects Control, right click and hit paste. And if I go back to the beginning and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. And that's it guys on how to create this sidebar effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.